Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this super easy, perfect vanilla cake recipe. It's a super easy recipe with just a few ingredients. The full recipe will be given in the description down below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy recipes. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'll be sifting in half a cup of powdered sugar, here I'll be adding 2 eggs, few drops of vanilla essence, beat till light and fluffy, Now here I'll be adding half a cup of oil gently while beating my eggs. Beat for a minute or two, do not overbeat. Now here I'll be sieving in 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, Now we will fold our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients gently using a spatula or a whisk. Once you see no flour, stop mixing. Here our batter is perfectly ready. Grease your mold with a few drops of oil. Dust it with flour. Dust your flour evenly throughout the mold, just like how I'm showing you in the video. Pour in your batter evenly. Tap a few times. Now we will bake our cake at 170 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Here our cake is perfectly done and cooled down. Here I'm demolding my cake. Once it's cooled down completely, sprinkle it with powdered sugar. You can decorate your cake as you like. And your perfect vanilla sponge cake is ready. Let's have a bite. Oh my god, you guys, this cake tastes so good and it just melts in your mouth. I hope you people enjoyed this recipe with me today. Don't forget to try it and share with me your feedback. If you have any questions, please mention it in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer each and every one. And don't forget to try this holiday season and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.